Do you want to pay easily on Temu? In this video, I will show you how to set up a payment method on Temu app step by step so you can complete your purchases quickly and securely. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Temu app. Then here in this first page, you'll find the sign of profile, so you will tap on profile. After that, you will move to the above here on this sign of settings, so you will tap on settings. After that, in this window, you will find a window of your payment methods, so you will tap on payment methods. And then here in this page, you will find add a credit or debit card, so you will tap here. And after that, you will find this page, so you will fill your information here, or fill your information here of card number, expiration date, CVV as you see here, your address, and then you will click on add your card in this page. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.